As you'll find out over the next several videos as you continue to watch this channel, you'll realize that I like RGB lighting. There's no doubt about it. And therefore when this speaker came out onto the market a couple of years ago, it was very tempting indeed. I like my Bluetooth speakers, but this one stood out, as you can see why. Look at that glow, oh yes. The JBL Pulse 3 is a fantastic little speaker that I bought in recent years. And it has a balanced sound profile with 360-degree sound. It also has a built-in microphone for making calls. But does it stand up to good, old-fashioned audio quality? Let's watch and find out. So, this isn't a traditional unboxing video because I don't have a box. All I have is the speaker itself and the wire and cable that came with it. And of course a good demonstration on how this works, how the app works, how to set it up, and how to enjoy some music. It's fairly non-obtrusive, I like to use that word in most of my videos, but I don't think it stands out very well, and it does look very good in the corner. The entire thing is black. There is also a white version, and there are a number of buttons on the back. Increasing your volume, reducing the volume, playing a song, changing the lights, Bluetooth, and connecting up to another 100 of these speakers in total to enjoy some crazy light show with crazy audio. Holding the power button down turns on the JBL Pulse speaker with an amazing animation on the light settings. You can then cycle through different colors and different settings by pressing the light button. As you can see here, downloading the app leads to a very simple, straightforward JBL themed app with lots of color and pictures, particularly focusing on the orange theme, that allows you to set the phone up on Android or iPhones and then pair it up via Bluetooth to your speaker. You can enable location access and location, and then simply search for the product with your Bluetooth turned on with the app engaged, and it'll connect. And you can now see there are several different modes: party, voice assistant, stereo mode. A very simple, straightforward interface with a button that allows you to connect to multiple other speakers, as I mentioned before. Pairing is very straightforward. With my Rogue Phone 3 I went to the Bluetooth settings, turned on Bluetooth and pair new devices. After holding the Bluetooth button down on the speaker, JBL Pulse 3 pops up, and then I click the button, wait for a few seconds. I get a little prompt that says please enable call access and pair up with the call history, which is very straightforward to do. You can take voice calls on this as well. It acts as a very nice loudspeaker and has a built-in microphone. And there we go, all paired. You can then allow it to share phone calls, media, audio and contact sharing, and turn those on and off within the Android setting. I'll let you enjoy some of the visual effects that are there as I cycle through them using the app. As you can see, there are numerous different settings that are all being controlled right now by pressing different buttons on the Bluetooth app. This fiery glow in particular is very nice for late evening music. Here's a more outdoory, summer themed one, and a very chill, relaxed evening dinner type glow. There's also a strobing effect, and you can select any color you like by simply taking a photograph of it, and it'll then upload it to the speaker directly. A quick look through the menu reveals all the different light effects that you can have, including equalizer, rave for a party, rainbow, campfire for chilled evenings, and then you can customize by taking your own photograph. JBL has led the Bluetooth speaker world for so many years now and basically offers very good sound quality. I even had a set of its subwoofer and surround sound speakers in my Toyota GT86 back in the day, and that made for some quality listening. If you listen to this speaker in particular on its own, it sounds excellent, but if you pair it up with another, that doubles the power. Without bending YouTube's laws too much, I'm going to try and take you through how the music sounds. Maximum volume. Very loud indeed, isn't it? Okay, before I get kicked off YouTube for using too much copyrighted music, here's another look at the effects. There's the jet effect in particular that you can cycle through along with all the other effects. Fireworks. Let's play another song for you. Loud, isn't it? I think it's very good quality as well. Let's have a look at the top speaker itself. This thing really pumps some air in and out. Talk about slapping. Look at that, maximum volume. Shaking away, really busting out the bass. Some very good high-pitched tones. It's been a long... Excellent audio clarity. Very, very nice indeed. Easily fills up a very large room like the one I'm in currently. Once again, just take a look at that, pushing air out, vibrating away. What a speaker. I really am not bigging this up too much. This is actually a very, very good quality speaker, and I think you'd struggle to find anything like it on the market, particularly with the light show. So, what are the downsides? Well, I think there's a little bit of an issue with the battery life. It doesn't tend to last very long, but you can probably get around 3 or 4 hours fully streaming from it. The other big downside has to be the price, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Once I clear these cookies, if I go and open it up on Amazon.uk, it comes out at £249, which is a stonking price for such a powerful speaker. I do think it might be slightly overpriced, considering this is now 2 years old. There is a white version, which takes a little bit off the price, which is more or less the same speaker, but I do think it has a huge set of features. It doesn't allow you to charge your smartphone, and it does rely on a Connect Plus package via the Bluetooth system. Have a look at the JBL advert. You can imagine this in your room, blasting away. It really does give you a feel for 360 degree sound. Oh yes, it's waterproof as well. You can take it out into the swimming pool, and it connects with up to 100 speakers. Just imagine, £224,900 worth of speakers. I think it's something to consider, isn't it? For those of you who want to have a giant pool party, this is most definitely the set of speakers to buy. The average reviews are very, very high on Amazon, over around 900 to 1,000, most of them giving it 4 to 5 stars, and this is on the UK part of Amazon. I think this would probably be mirrored in the US websites. Overall, I think it's worth a purchase. Give it a go. Check out this fantastic speaker at the amazon.co.uk link below in the description. Take care for now, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.